Hello and welcome back. Today we are making mojitos. Summer's on the way and it is approaching despite me being in all black. But mojitos are a really good, easy drinking, depending on who makes them, easy drinking, nice, refreshing drink for the summer. So let's get into it. First, you're gonna need mint leaves. I'm using lots of mint leaves. Growing up, my grandma had a mint tree, a mint bush in her backyard. And we definitely would go out there and eat the leaves, like straight off, right? And chew on them, kind of like bubble gum. Not bubble gum, but like minty gum. And I would swallow them, not like spit it out like gum. I would love to have a mint tree. I would honestly love to have like a vegetable garden in my backyard, but with 2 dogs, one of them being a German Shepherd. Actually, I don't think that matters because my other dog is a pug and he eats all the vegetables. There's no way that that would ever last in my backyard. We literally just planted a tree last night, but this morning it had been pulled out of the ground. So we are going this weekend and buying some kind of like fencing idea concept to put around the tree. Okay, I put my mint leaves into a glass, and the reason that I did that is because I'm going to muddle them. I did not mention, by the title of the video you will know, but we are making a whole pitcher of mojitos. So I would say, I used half an ounce. I would say half to 1 ounce of mint leaf. Get your handy dandy muddler and we're gonna muddle these babies. I'm filming shorts, reels, whatever you wanna call it, on my TikTok. So if you see me looking elsewhere, that's what I'm doing. I love how I'm wearing this like loungy like corduroy thing and I'm over here sweating. Oh my god, I love the smell of mint leaves. So the aromas are coming out. It smells so good. Take those babies and dump it in your pitcher. No man left behind. Next up, you're gonna need limes. I think the amount you're gonna need is depending on the size of the lime. These are really, really small, so I'm gonna start with like 5. We might do 6. If you have larger ones, I would say start with 4. It also kind of depends on your taste preference too. I like mine to be more like limey and minty and less sweet. You may be wondering what I'm doing, and I just realized you can't see. What you do is you roll out the fruit, and it makes it more juicy, more citrusy. It smells so good. My dog came running over here. And we're gonna squeeze it into your pitcher. Are you a clean up as you go or a clean up afterwards person? Because I am heavy on the cleanup as I go. Half a cup of sugar. 1 cup of rum. Plus a splash. So I used to work in a bar and we use Bacardi Limon, but I didn't really know what else I could make with Bacardi Limon, and I didn't want to think too hard, so I just got this big old baby of the Bacardi Silver. Also, you can only get the Bacardi Limon in the littler ones, and I just didn't think that was like, that's what I'm looking for. It didn't make sense to spend that much money on a smaller bottle when you could spend a few dollars more and get the huge one. 1 can of Sprite. Are you a Sprite or a, well, it's not Sierra Mist anymore. What is it called? Starry, something like that? Are you a Sprite or a Sierra Mist person? Personally, I'm a Sprite person. I hate 7-Up. Then top that baby off with soda water. Nice ASMR. You guys, shut up. Look at my spoon. It's peeling. Makes me so angry. Then you're gonna stir that baby up. Make sure the sugar is mixed in well. You look like a witch making potions. And there you have your mojito pitcher. Now it looks empty. You can put ice in it. I don't recommend doing that because it's gonna get watered down. So I would put it in the fridge to keep it cold and then pour it over ice. I just made a baby one because it's a taster. It's for my mom, not me. Wait, did I even tell you that? The whole inspiration behind me making a mojito pitcher was because my mom is moving today out of her shitty little apartment into a cute little townhouse. We're helping her move this weekend. So this is gonna be her housewarming gift. Except for the pitcher. I want the pitcher back, Mom. Cheers. It's pretty good.